Hello, good day. We're going to be looking at BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 4. BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 4. The bouncing back of light from object it strikes is called. The bouncing back of light from object it strikes is called A. Radiation, B. Refraction, C. Transmission, and D. Reflection. Now all these are properties of light. All these here are properties of light, and the bouncing back of light from an object is also one of the properties of light. Now for us to pick an answer, we have to understand and know the meaning of each of these properties. Now radiation simply means the emission of energy. So radiation simply means the emission of energy, and like we know, light is a form of energy. So radiation can simply mean what? The emission of light energy. Then refraction here simply means the change in direction. The change in direction of light when it passes through different medium with different density. That is the change in the direction of light. Change in direction of light when light passes through different medium in which their density is different. Like for instance, when light passes from air to water, there will be a change in direction of this light, because the density of air and the density of water is different. So that's what refraction is. Then transmission here, transmission just simply means the propagation of light. The propagation of light. That's what transmission simply means. And then D here says reflection. Now reflection is the word bouncing back. This is the bouncing back. The bouncing back of light. Reflection is bouncing back of light when it strikes an object. An example of this object is mirror. Mirror is a very good example of an object that would bounce back light. When lights fall on object like mirror, it will bounce back. So our answer for this question is D, reflection, because the question says the bouncing back of light from object it strike is called dash, and like I said, reflection simply means what? The throwing off or the bouncing back of light when it strikes plane objects. So our answer is D, reflection. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.